Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows update error code not installing and installing error on Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, and after that click on Windows update. After completing that, close it, and I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is net space stop space WUAUSERV and press enter. After that, type a net space stop space bits. Type net space stop space crypt svc. Type net space stop space msi server. After that, type a command is ren run space c column backslash Windows backslash software distribution space software distribution.old. Press enter. Type re and run c column backslash Windows backslash system32 backslash cat root 2 space cat root 2.old. After that, type net space start space WUAUSERV and press enter. Type net space start space bits. Type net space start space crypt svc. Type net space start space msi server. Type exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that open a Google search engine and type Microsoft update catalog. Click on first link is catalog.update.microsoft.com. After that, search the KB5011563 and press click on search. Click on basic system. Click on download it. Click save. Now downloading will be started, and it's required for a few minutes to download this file. After completing of the download, install in your PC. I'm sure that after installing it, your problem is fixed. If your problem is still, then you can try a next method. Okay guys, the last method is that open any browser, go to your any search engine and type Windows 11 download. Click on first link, scroll down and click on download now. Create Windows 11 is installation media. Click on download now. Save button. After doing this step, open it. Click on accept button. Click on next button. Select the ISO file. Click on next button. Save any location. The process will be started and it's required of a few hours to complete the process. Okay guys, after completing that, click on finish it. After that, go to your save location. In my case is in download section. So open it, open a setup. Now after that, click on next button. Now after that, automatically restart your computer, and after restart your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Now you can see data. In my cases, my PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirement. And if your computer is according to your Windows 11 requirement, then it's automatically restart your installed and restart your computer. After doing this step, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.